I included, this is what you have. This is what you have in your zip file. This is the zip file you download, actually, not from my PC, but from the web, but it's the same, created today, you see. There are two libraries in it. So you can see that with different libraries, you get different results. As I told you, it is just as it is. I didn't make a schematic, but if you open this in LTSpice, then it will understand the whole thing. And I included measurement statements in it. Measurement stating for plotting the noise figure, for example. So if we run it, it doesn't find errors. Then you do Control L to bring up a list of the parameter, the steps that it has been made, because I want to have the width along the x-axis. Then you do the right mouse button, step dot measurement data. And then it comes with a new plot window. And then in this one, you can add a trace and say, for example, I want to have the noise figure. And then you get the noise figure as a function of the width. And you see here, it is 0.63 dB. And that is exactly the same as we did with SlideCap. Unfortunately, unfortunately, you can also say happily, but if you do CMOS 18tt.lib, and I discovered some strange things in this model if the substrate is at zero bias, but it includes a lot of effects more than the other lib. So, and you run it, and I do the same trick, Control L, plot stepped data, add trace, and then do the noise figure. Then you find 1.6 dB. So the width is okay. It's still about 47 micrometer, the same as found as with SlideCap, but the noise figure is 1 dB worse. And I cannot make it better for you. It's the model parameters that you get from the manufacturer that tell you what the result is. And if you think it is not true, then you have to contact the manufacturer and ask if the model, if the extraction of the parameters for the noise is done correctly, or if there is extra action required to get it better. This is the practice in IC design. That is very important to understand.